Oh yes, tackle, tackle, tackle. All this got kind of wet, so I had to move it around and try to dry it out a little bit. But hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. I wanted to talk really quickly before we hop into today's video. We have been fishing the John boat tournaments. A lot of you guys have been asking when they're coming back, if they're backlogged, if they're going to come out. So we've actually fished 6. I shared the first one with you guys, and honestly, up until this one, it's been beyond brutal. Even this one was really tough on us, but we caught some fish. For instance, our weights for the last 4 tournaments were something like 7 pounds, 8 pounds, 5 pounds, 4 pounds. Like, rough, extremely rough. You guys know I like to keep it real, and I like to share even the worst of tournaments, even if it means like 0 fish. But they were literally so brutal on Ace and I that like 3/4 of the way through the day, I basically just stopped filming. Like, it was that tough. I really hope you guys are looking forward to this one, and I promise you that I will film and post videos of the remaining 6. And then we've got some other tournaments coming and some very, very big news at the end of this video. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Got a John boat tournament today. Start off with a little top water action. We got 20 boats. Ace said it very nicely earlier. All we gotta do is beat 19 people. Oh God. You see that? Right into the tree. That's good luck. Ace got the old whopper plopper on. Water temp 71. And it's gonna be a hot one today. Nice. Sure. Top water? Yep. Heyo. Whopper plopper fish. Guess they are eating top water. Nah. He's probably 12 inches. Boom! He eats my glide bait. Yeah. Not feeling it. Anything but here. Well, I got one.
Get him. Yeehaw. Okay, keep it.
Throw him back.
Keep him down. Keep him down. No. Watch him throw it back.
Nope.
He's long.
He is long.
He'd be close.
Almost 13. It's something. Nice. Crankbait? Ew. Good one? Huh? Oh, he's a keeper.
Barely hooked.
As usual. Where's he at? Ah, there he is. Square bill boogie. Was he like right against the bank?
Mm-hmm.
Gotcha. Nice. All right. Nice catch, keeper. Thinking deeper wood. Got something?
Pull back.
You snagged?
Yeah, but what?
Tree?
It's a freestyle. It don't get snagged.
Rock? Oh, it's a good one. Coming up.
Nope. I gotta watch my rod's going.
There he is in the tree, baby. The secret worm!
So where were you?
I threw onto the freaking bank, dude, and just slowly dragged it off. That's a
drop shot?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna put a drop shot in.
Good idea. That's a solid 4.
Oh yeah, it's a 4.
At least. Well, we'll take it. The old secret worm on the drop shot.
Where's all that stuff at?
I don't know. It's a secret. It's in there, and then the bag. Here, let me throw him in real quick. Number 2. That was a gimmick. I mean, dude, we fished a mile of this bluff wall. Been a very tough day. It is 12:15. It's our second fish, second keeper. 4 more of those and we'll be good. Tiny? Sure.
Dude, he bit it just like a bluegill. It's not a keeper.
Yep, and he's wrapped. Oh, he's big. Oh, he's not huge, but he's definitely a good one.
We got him.
Good one.
Good shit, dude.
It's a 2.5. Oh, that drop shot, the secret drop shot. Dude, just letting bluegill eat it, letting it, like, kind of pulling it away, slowly dragging it, and then like that, just same thing as last one, lines running. Like, I didn't even feel a bite. I thought, honestly, there was like at least a 50% chance that I was setting the hook into a bluegill.
Yeah.
I think I just got in it. Yep. I got bit. I think.
That one? Yeah. Drop.
Is this what we're seeing on the graph? Is this what I'm getting excited over?
There's that big one you were talking about.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I don't know how big it is yet. He'll keep. Nice. Number 4. Oh no, I saw backs, so that's good. Another decent one, not too bad.
Yeah.
Not big, 2 pounds.
I see a bass up there. You see it?
Oh yeah, dude. Oh, he just went for your bait. Yep, I saw that. That was dope. And I'm stuck. Take your time with it. That hook is very light. There it is. That's a keeper.
That's cool. She watched him go right to it. He'll keep
Hit you for sure. Good catch. Good catch.
Come
All
on,
right.
brother.
Number 5.
God bless America. I just got one, baby.
I think I see a little bass. I don't think it's big enough to do anything. Yep, he got it. Jump! Why couldn't they all eat like that today? Dude, it was like he was there to eat it, before I even had the bait in the water. Yeah. Last second catch, dude. Let's do it. Let's run it. Whoa. Handle broke. Woo!
You alright?
Yeah. Whoa. Oh, handle broke. Oh, I'm so glad I did not get hurt there. Go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah. Woo. Okay, first things first. I want you guys to go down in the comment section below and let me know which crash from breaking the handle was better. 2019, back on the second day of the Classic, or the end of this tournament. This one was much more of a thud. Actually, I think this one hurt more than the last one, but I want to know your thoughts. Go down in the comment section right now and let me know which one of those two crashes you liked more. Obviously very fortunate I didn't break anything on myself or in the boat both times, but I definitely have been thinking about it a little bit, because the first one happened in late October when I snapped the regular motor guide handle. The water was cold. I mean, it was probably in the 60s at that point, and then I guess water was in the 70s the second time. But I mean, looking past all that, just all the stuff I could have broken in the boat and just on myself. I mean, if I was alone and I fell all the way to the back deck, if the cooler wasn't there, I probably would have ended up hitting my head on that back bench. Just makes you think a little bit. You gotta take it easy, be kind of careful. I have to put a lot of my weight into popping these trolling motors because, you know, they're heavy. I'm a small dude, but it literally snapped the cable, as you can see. I posted a video of this a couple weeks ago, and a Facebook friend of mine, John Harbison, actually sent me 2 of these Bob's Machine Big D motor handles. He actually sent me two, one for the Gambler and one for the John boat. And if you guys want to check these out, I'm going to leave a link for them down in the description below. You can pick these up over at Revolution Outdoors with a Z. Huge thanks to John for watching that video and being like, dude, I'll get you some handles, man, no problem. So really excited to put these on both boats and hopefully not bust my butt anytime soon. Anyways, Ace and I finished in 8th out of 20 boats. Another tougher tournament for us. We ended up weighing 13.82 pounds for 5 fish. Keeping in mind, these tournaments are a 6 fish limit. The top 3 was 19, 18, and then 15, 8, and 9. So had we filled our limit and had like a 2 1/4 pound fish, we could have slid into 3rd. I hate the shoulda, coulda, woulda, but we're close. This season's been really tough on us. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the fact that we have been doing 0 pre-fishing, or we just have had a hard time adapting to the bite, but we've just been sucking it up this year. I apologize for the lack of John boat tournament videos, but I promise you I'm going to stick to my guns, and there will be a video for every John boat tournament for the rest of the year. I've also got some really exciting news for you guys. That John boat back there actually might not be with me too much longer. Got some very cool things in the works with a buddy of mine, and hope you guys are looking forward to that news. It's gonna be pretty freaking epic. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me if you're not already subscribed. See you on the next one. One last thing before I go. You know there's no secrets here. 4-inch zoom ringworm, that's what I was drop shotting and catching, I think, every fish that I put in the well on. June bug, tiny little bait. It's not a secret anymore. Check it out.